Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the exact model and current Android build-in settings so you download the correct files. This prevents bricking. Once done, make a quick backup of photos and contacts, and ensure the battery is at least 50% or plugged in. If you plan to use a PC flashing tool, enable developer options, then USB debugging. Do these precise steps now so the update process can proceed without avoidable interruptions or wrong firmware. You next download the correct firmware, official or trusted custom, matching your exact model and region. Integrity matters because wrong files cause failure. Then install necessary PC drivers and ADB/fastboot tools, or pick a verified flashing utility. Once ready, reboot your phone into the bootloader or recovery mode. Connect it and verify with fastboot devices or the tool's device list. Now execute the prescribed flash commands or script. Follow on-screen progress indicators, and do not interrupt. You finish by rebooting into the updated system. Expect the first boot to take several minutes as data migrates. Once booted, check core functions, Wi-Fi, calls, sensors, and restore your backup if needed. If you encounter a boot loop, power down and re-enter recovery. Wipe cache first, then retry the flash. If problems persist, restore the original firmware or recovery image you saved earlier. Make sure to keep those files available so you can roll back safely and diagnose any persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.